Welcome to Livingstone Ranch. Today we're going to make some hive frames. So I bought these and they don't come assembled. So I put together all but one. Basically you're going to have 5 main pieces. You have a top rail, you have a bottom rail, you have your 2 side pieces, and then you have the foundation. And you can see the foundation is already made up for them to build comb off of. And this is actually coated in beeswax. So there are 5 main pieces. Then you're going to have some nails. And then the tools you're going to need really is just a hammer and glue. But I'm going to pre-drill my holes. I want you to put nails through this, and this is a 1/2 inch thick, and my concern is that it'll split. So I'm going to pre-drill my holes. So what you're going to do is just put a little bit of glue on the side piece here on the top, just like this, both of them. And when we there's a slot on one side, that's what your foundation goes in. So that's going to go down. Like this. And then I will pre-drill my holes. So they want you to put a nail going down on the top, going down into the sides. You might be able to get away without pre-drilling, but I'd hate to have this split on me and then, I don't know, then you're out the whole frame. Okay, so the bottom piece, they don't ask for glue. I'm not sure why, to be honest with you. Now this thing doesn't have, there's no slots in the sides, so it just sits in that top, in the slot in the top, and there is a slot on the bottom rail here. And so we're going to set this in. Make sure that your foundation here gets into the slot. Okay. So then you're going to drill or nail through the side pieces, through the tab on the bottom rail, and the same on the top. So on the top, when you put your nail in the top going down, you're going to want to make sure you're off to the side just a little bit, or your nails are going to end up hitting each other. And that's it. You've got your nail in the corner going through this section on the bottom. Same thing on the top. It goes through the top like that. And then you have a nail and a nail. And your foundation's in there pretty securely. So these are my hive frames. I think I have 10 of them. And I'm going to get bees tomorrow. So got to get this all done and ready. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's how you put together a hive frame. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Subscribe to Livingstone Ranch.